Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about Arundel, Maine. That means we need to talk about the neighborhoods, show you what they look like. We're going to talk about the businesses, the restaurants, where people go shopping. That includes the neighboring towns, the Eastern Trail, which goes right through Arundel, which is pretty cool. And then if you stick around to the end, I'm going to take you way up in the air in a drone and give you a bird's eye view. And we're going to get after it right now. All right, I just want to make sure that everybody's on the same page and we all know what town we're talking about and where it's located. Arundel is right here, so it's not a coastal town, but very close. You can see it abuts Kennebunkport, Kennebunk, Lyman, Dayton, Biddeford. And so it's kind of a bedroom community to these other towns, especially Biddeford. That's probably where you're going to end up doing a lot of your shopping. But I'll get into that a little bit more when I bring up the Google Maps. But just to let you know, you're probably only, if you're in this area of Arundel, you're probably only like 5 minutes to the beach. If you're way up here, then you're looking at a good 25 minutes to the beach. All right, let's get into some footage and show you the area around Arundel. Okay, here we are cruising north on Route 1, leaving Kennebunk into Arundel. Pretty much if there's a business in Arundel, it's going to be on this corridor between Kennebunk and Biddeford. A little bit about the town. It's got 4,200 people. It's 24 square miles, so it's not a terribly large area. It was originally part of Kennebunkport until it was split off in 1957, so not too far back. And it was named after Lord Arundel from West Sussex in England. What you see, guys, is pretty much what you're going to get along Route 1. This is, I guess you would call it the downtown area. Businesses are along here. If you're going to do shopping, if you're going to do some shopping in Arundel, pretty much you're going to go to Biddeford. That's where you're going to find your big box stores like Walmart, Target, Lowe's, and Home Depot. Biddeford is the largest city in York County. What I want to do is list off some of the businesses that are along this corridor. You've got the veterinary clinic, you've got family dentistry offices, Arunchard Pottery, Hemlock Grove Campground, Bentley's Campground, Red Apple Campground, right? Makes sense because it's so close to the coast. You've got several antique shops, Dutch Elm Golf Course, the Ford Garage, which we're cruising by here, a whole bunch of automobile repair services as well. And as far as restaurants are concerned, you've got a good selection of restaurants. Mike's American Diner, I go there several times a year. Got Bandaloop, a little bit more fine dining, it's very good. The Holy Donut, Arundel House of Pizza. You've got Bentley's Saloon, which is like biker bar, really fun. They've got live music and stuff. Something's Fishy Seafood, Sprinkles Ice Cream, Mr. T's Smoke Shack Barbecue, Raptor Falls Mini Golf and Ice Cream. Guys, that's a good selection. And if you want more, go to Biddeford and Saco, Kennebunkport. You've got a good selection of restaurants in this area. Okay, guys, I just got off of Route 1 and I'm actually driving back towards Route 1. So you will see a few businesses on this road, but I just wanted to give you an idea of a neighborhood that's kind of representative of Arundel. Guys, if you're new to our channel, my name is Michael and my partner is Margaret. And if you'd like to learn everything there is to know about living in Southern Maine, please click subscribe and tap the bell so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market in Southern Maine. We get calls and text messages every day from people just like you looking to move in 9 days to 90 days. Just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or our favorite, schedule a Zoom. We can help you make a smooth move to Southern Maine. All right, what I did is I brought up Zillow and put in Arundel. And I selected sold properties only. I don't see any reason to show you the stuff that's listed. This is the stuff that's sold because, it gives you a good idea of what prices are. And let's see, let's select homes, not just land, and apply. Okay, so let's zoom in here. It's closer to Kennebunk Port. Let's take a look at some of the prices. This is a very nice community. So, your price is, $1 million. Well, it's on the river, so anything that's got any type of waterfront is going to be more expensive. 400,000, 800,000, 800, 350, 225. So, you can definitely find affordable housing in Arundel. And, if you're looking for something a little bit nicer or maybe to rent out as an Airbnb, definitely plenty of opportunities for that. Let's just cruise a little bit further north here and west. Yeah, it gets a little bit more affordable. We're getting away from the coast, but you're still seeing some prices, 400,000, but more stuff in, 300,000 range. Okay, so that gives you an idea of prices in Arundel. And there's still a decent inventory there, so feel free to give Margaret or I a call. If you have any questions about real estate, now let's take a look at Google Maps to give you an idea of where we are. All right, so there's Arundel right there in Maine. There's a border of Maine, New Hampshire right there. There's Boston. So you're, an hour and 45 minutes to the Boston airport. You're probably 40 minutes to Portland Airport. And if you can find a flight, you can fly out of Portsmouth down here. And, you're probably closer to an hour, 50 minutes to get there. So let's zoom way in on Arundel here. Hey guys, if you like this video and you're getting something out of it, please give it a like. We really appreciate that. All right, there's a lot of commuter traffic right there on 111 at the northern tip. And this is I-95, which cuts through the town. If you want to get to Arundel, you're pretty much going to have to either get off in Kennebunk or you're going to get off in Biddeford to get to Arundel. And then there's Route 1, and I traveled this corridor right along here, and I cruised down into some of the neighborhoods in the lower area here. All right, so just gives you an idea. Anything along this river is really pretty, and you don't have the water, the lakes and ponds that you did in Lyman. So if you want to see those, watch my other video. All right, let's get into some drone footage, guys. Okay, guys, I found a place to park at the town offices. So I'm just going to take you up in the drone about as high as I can go, which is about 400 feet. Give you a bird's eye view of the area. You can see it's pretty rural in Arundel. Pretty much like Lyman and Alfred and some of the other surrounding towns. This footage was taken in May, early May. So the leaves are out on the trees, and I'm just going to let you take it all in. Guys, if you like this video, if you're learning from it, please give it a like. All right, I got some really good footage for this portion of the video, and I just want to show you where I took it. So here's Arundel, close to the coast, and what we're going to do is zoom in. And this area right here, I parked my vehicle right along here, and I took the drone up. You're going to see the highway and this property here, and it was really pretty, so I decided to give you some footage on that as well. Can't talk about Arundel without mentioning the Eastern Trail, which is a 22-mile off-road path from Bug Light in South Portland all the way to Kennebunk. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of footage on that to give you an idea of what it looks like. I didn't want to walk it, so I flew my drone out there. So obviously, you know, you see some mud, so you want to wear maybe some good sneakers and maybe not worry about them getting too dirty. But I thought this was a good representative area to just give you a little footage of what the trail looks like. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. And if you're looking for real estate in the area, you may want to find a piece of property that's close to this because it's really pretty special. Okay guys, I hope you learned something in today's video, and if you're coming to Arundel, Maine or the area of southern Maine and you need a realtor to show you around, please give Margaret or I a call. Have a great day.